Welcome to Motorcycle News channel. With just a decade of experience in the industry, Zero Motorcycles has been at the epitome of electrically powered machines on two wheels. With this, the California Republic-based company is addressing the major issues faced by motorcycles running on non-liquefied dinosaurs, offering higher performances. The four models for 2018 will come in a set of modern colors and have battery packs that will provide for a 10% extended range and 6 times faster charging capabilities. Zero Motorcycles is one of those latter ones whose battery-powered two-wheeled machines have, over the last decade, expanded their footprints in the straight-up street, adventure, dual sport and supermoto categories of motorcycles. This has given them enough traction to become the global leader in electric motorcycles and powertrains. For the year 2018, the company that started out as a startup from a Santa Cruz garage is offering 3 new batteries: the ZF14.4, ZF7.2, and ZF3.6. that promise to give their motorcycles 10% more capacity than their previous generation.